I didn't get kidnapped. I got held ransom at Mexico. True story. I would never talk about this for this very reason. There was a resort opening two years ago.
You have way too many stories. You got held ransom in Mexico?
Swear.
Tell me everything.
I've never gone to Mexico again. Never.
Yeah, I'll never.
But I was posting for this resort, and you know what? It's a chain hotel. It was a big chain hotel.
They invited you there?
Yeah. We're staying at the Viceroy, which I picked selfishly because I just really want to go to this hotel. So
it still was like $400 something a night. It's not cheap.
Nobody was there, right?
And someone fucking ransomed your ass?
Oh, look at everyone on their thing. Everyone's sitting on their little private patio. Nobody was there, right? And we were going to the van from the hotel that the hotel was going to provide us back to the airport. It smells so good. Please, where's the cookies? So I'm posting for them. They're like, hey, we'll give you like a free stay. Like, come post for us. So I'm posting, right?
Yeah, and I didn't even post like where we were or anything. It still was like $400 something a night. It's not cheap. It was a few $1,000s, which is a few $1,000 a lot of money to me. I know a lot of people don't think that, but it is. I wanted to come here. This was like my idea. Like I was like, Mom, let's go here. It's gonna be so cool and bougie.
And they're like, hey, we'll give you like a free stay. Like, come post for us.
It's not cheap.
And so obviously people are seeing like my Instagram.
And I didn't even post like where we were or anything.
And they saw that I just bought a Lamborghini, like all this stuff. So they're seeing like all of this stuff. And it was so weird. Nobody else was at this resort. Nobody. There was construction going on.
I'm having french fries poolside with my man Biatch.
The food was like frozen pizza.
Do you think they set you up? Frozen pizza?
Literally frozen pizza.
Fuck?
We got some sushi. Chips, pico de gallo, and guac. Do you like guac? Because there's a lot of guac in there. So good. I got a daiquiri. Mom got a margarita. This is so beautiful. Literally frozen pizza. Those are so interesting. Purple. This is good. We love the sushi. We took that down.
It is really good. They're warm and cheesy.
Literally frozen pizza.
These are actually really good. Oh my god, these are so good.
Yummy. Chicken nachos. Oh, there you go. That's your fave, Mom.
This is our room service. We got some fresh fruit, looks delicious. Some french fries, which are amazing. Chocolate cake looks delicious. We got vanilla ice cream, tortillas, and Coca-Cola.
We had to get churros because like when in Mexico. Literally frozen pizza. And
was it good?
Huh?
Was the pizza good?
No, it was all horrible. It was really, really bad. So good. This is good.
These are actually really good. Amazing. Oh my god, these are so good. Delicious. Fries, which are amazing. Chocolate cake looks delicious.
It was honestly the most, like, the scariest thing in my life, but
like anyone who asked us like how our stay was, we're like, it's great, but like the view's amazing. It's a beautiful resort, but the construction's really, really bad. The resort was really beautiful.
we made it. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Viceroys are beautiful.
Paddle over to the side.
Oh!
I saw this bunch of Instagram people once. I was like, oh, this looks fun.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. We were held at gunpoint to get money. They needed us to get money out, and I couldn't get the transfer. They wanted like $100,000, and I couldn't do it. So we ended up wiring them money. Like, it was so scary. They literally like left us on a ditch. They had like literally a gun to my head. And this happened another time. I got held at a gunpoint in my house, and it was.
Wait, can I ask you about this? So, do you think they set you up when you went to that resort to rob you?
Like, I don't know.
Did you tell the social media person who told you to come there?
Never responded.
Viceroy actually contacted me. Basically, she's like, I want to rectify this. This is like a little update for you guys. Come back and stay at the resort for free. I was like, and I know this is like so first world problem.
It was honestly the most, like, the scariest thing in my life, but
I'm just saying this because like I don't want you to waste your money. Like, it's so first world problems. It's not a big deal.
it was honestly the most, like, the scariest thing in my life.
It was a few $1,000s, which is a few $1,000s, a lot of money to me. I know a lot of people don't think that, but it is.
Like,
So what happened in the car? You got in the car. The guy's driving. When did you know there was something wrong?
almost immediately. It smells so good. Please, where's the cookies? He's like, do you guys have cash on you? And we're like, no. And then he's like, well, you need to go and take out $100,000 from the ATM.
Oh, immediately he was like, you went in the bank and did a wire?
I didn't go in. I did it from my phone.
Really? You can do that?
Yeah.
And he got it immediately?
Well, he got it, and then he took my ID, and he took, like, I think I had, like, I don't know if I had a check. He took everything. Like, he had all my cards and stuff like that. He had all my address, like, everything. So I don't like talking about this.
God.
Honestly, like, I got phone calls after it harassing me, being like, we're going to, like, cut your head off, like, all this crazy shit.
Asking for more money. Mm-hmm. What?
I got arrested for bringing my camera. I was vlogging
It's
in the
insane.
thing, and they arrested me, and then they told me the same thing. They're like, you have to pay us money.
And like, also, I don't even know if I said it Like when I went through the airport, this guy told me that he was gonna like arrest me if I didn't delete footage. I don't even know if like, because I guess you're not supposed to film in the airport or whatever. When we landed, we were filming. I don't know if he was a police officer or what he was. He came up or security or worked for the airport or whatever. He's like, that's a felony. Like I can arrest you right now and you can go to prison. And you always hear about stuff like scary stuff like going to jail in foreign countries. So
I got arrested for bringing my camera. And I don't like talking about it because I know people are like, oh, Trisha trolls and all this stuff. So it's like, I don't like talking about it, but like, that's the reason I'm like so paranoid. And like earlier this year, someone came into my house like while I was showering and like.
Have you been to Mexico? Who's been to Mexico here? Raise your hand. Yeah, last time we went to an abandoned resort. That wasn't open yet. It was really weird.
We were really lucky. There's some horror stories to hear.
Yeah.
We were held at gunpoint to give money.
We were really lucky.
Yeah.
It was honestly the most like the scariest thing in my life, but
There's some horror stories to hear.
Yeah.
You have way too many stories.